This is Shannon from Skip to My Life, and on today's episode, we're going to be talking about $5, $10, and $15 gifts that you can make and tuck away for Christmas. If you love to live an upscale lifestyle on a downsized budget, I am here for you at Skip to My Life. This first gift costs only $5 with only 4 items from Dollar Tree, and we are going to make this perfect gift for a coworker, a friend, or a teacher that you want to make sure they feel special, but they may not necessarily be in your budget. All you'll need is some syrup, some pancake mix, a spatula, and mixing bowl from Dollar Tree. Now, I did take it up a notch with some glass bottles from Target. They were 2 for $3, and I just thought that it was a fun added touch, but you certainly don't have to do that. I started by transferring some of this butter-flavored syrup into my fancy glass bottle, and that thing is shut up tight. It is not spilling at all. Next, we're going to cut off and take off the labels from all the items. The key to making these inexpensive gifts look really high-end is to elevate them literally, and we are going to do that by using an old roll from ribbon. I'm just going to duct tape that to the bottom of that bowl, and we'll use it as a riser for our pancake mix. Next, we'll simply add that spatula and then the bottle of syrup, but we're not finished because it looks way too plain to give as an upscale gift. So we are going to take it up a notch with some specially made stickers, and you can get these by clicking on the link in my description box. Now, I always tell you all to learn from my mistakes, and this is one of them. I definitely would have attached these stickers before I filled the bowl and the bottle, but you can learn from me, and it's going to be tons easier for you. Next, I'll add some red and white gingham bows from Dollar Tree, and if you want to go over your $5 limit, they also have some paper napkins to match these gingham bows. This would be a great gift for a family, and who would not love to have this for a very special Christmas morning. Our next gift is for those hot drink lovers on your list, and we're going to start with one of the aluminum flower buckets from Dollar Tree, as well as some of their glitter stick-on paper. I spent about $15 on the contents of this basket, but it's going to just depend on what you choose and like. You could easily spend less than that. The first step is we're going to cover over those letters with our sticker paper. Now, here are some items you may want to fill this type of a basket with from Dollar Tree. The coffee pods. This is Junior's coffee. If you have tried this, let me know. I keep thinking I'm going to try that, and then I don't. They also have some adorable containers other than these flower buckets, so lots of options for you. I chose 2 items from Aldi, and Aldi carries some wonderful high-end German treats this time of year. So I thought that these biscuits and this gingerbread coffee would be perfect. I have a special friend and her husband in mind that I am going to be giving this basket to. Once again, we'll start by making the package really secure and duct taping the cookies and the coffee in place. And then next we'll add some individual packets of hot cocoa. If you're new here, a great big welcome. Comment below and let me know how we found each other and which of these ideas you think you might try. For those of you who have already subscribed and are coming back, you all have been leaving me the most wonderful comments lately. I just want to let you know, for every one of you that's commented and left a nice little tip or suggestion, I really appreciate you taking the time out of your day to do that. Now we're going to add 2 mugs to this little care package, and I love the clear mugs that Dollar Tree carries because we can put something inside and see that as well. Now, after I've duct taped these 2 mugs, I wanted to make sure they were really secure, so I took some more of that glitter sticker paper from Dollar Tree and just really securely attached the mugs to the side of the coffee box. You can probably tell by my voice today that I'm coming down with a little bit of a cold. My husband is just getting over it, and I think it's my turn now. So comment below. I hope you've all been well, but let me know if you all have come down with something. It seems like everyone is getting a bug this year. If you watched my pantry organization video, you've seen these containers before. I absolutely love these giant marshmallows. I find them usually at Aldi. Sometimes they do carry those at Dollar Tree, but I'll put 3 in a little cellophane bag and it fits perfectly in each of those mugs. Now, before I give this gift, I most likely will wrap the whole thing up in cellophane, but I'm not going to do that for this video because it's very difficult for you to see the contents once I do that. So I'm just going to show you how I am adding a little bit of magic with some stickers from Dollar Tree. And here's our sticker from my sheet that I made for all of you. If you would like to receive that, just click on the link in the description box and you can download it. Now, I love a good hot bath, and comment below and let me know if you love it too. I love to use bath bombs and all kinds of bath accessories, but I decided I wanted to try my hand at making them myself. So I found a recipe and I'm going to link to that below. What you'll want to do is mix the dry ingredients and then add the wet ingredients until you get a texture that's about the consistency of wet sand. Decided I wanted to make my bath bombs look like mini cupcakes. I thought that would be a really cute little gift idea. So I started by putting the bath bomb recipe in mini cupcake holders. And next we're going to make some white icing out of ivory soap to go on top. For our icing, I chopped up the bar of ivory soap as fine as I possibly could, and I soaked it in about 1/4 cup of water. I also put it in the microwave, but you could leave it out at room temperature for a while until it really softens. Next, I put it in the food processor until it was about a chalky consistency. I wanted it a little bit more rich, like an icing consistency, so I decided to use my immersion blender. The final step for these mini cupcake bath bombs was to pipe that soap icing on top of our bath bombs and then add a few decorative sprinkles. Now the key here is patience, and I don't have a lot of that, so this was not easy for me, but you want to leave these outside at room temperature overnight so that they thoroughly dry and become hard before you package them. I tested these myself and I'm happy to say that they worked really well. If you're looking for an easier way to do this, Dollar Tree does sell some silicone molds and shapes, and they also sell various colors of cupcake holders. Now, on the day when I finished filming, I decided I just did not want to run out to the store, and I really wanted to add a little peppermint look to these. So I cut up some tissue paper and fashioned my own little cupcake holders. Now this gift was about $5 per jar, and you'll see how we're going to package that in just a minute. But I am planning to give these to my daughter, my daughter-in-law, my nieces, and the young ladies in my life. I've custom made 3 stickers for you. One is green, one is red, and one is pink. To make this really easy, I printed my labels out on sticker paper, but if you don't have sticker paper, you can simply use cardstock and add glue to the back. Now, all of these jars were from dip that my husband uses with chips, and I have been squirreling these away for a while. And we're going to take those lids up a notch by spray painting them all silver and then adding one of these adorable peppermint trees from Dollar Tree. After placing 5 bath bombs in each jar, I glue gunned the little peppermint tree to the top of my silver lid, sealed it off, and there you have it. The finishing touch is some silver ribbon from Dollar Tree. Now, who do you have on your list that you think would love something like this? I often make gifts like this and I just tuck them away because there's always somebody I forgot to put on my list or who comes by at the last minute. Our next Dollar Tree Christmas gift hack is some Christmas Eve slippers. Now, Dollar Tree sells these for $1.25. They come in pink, black, and gray, but they're also selling these plush slippers in the $5 aisle. I'm going to stick with the less expensive ones, and I'm also going to get a piece of felt from Hobby Lobby. When we get done with these slippers, no one will guess they came from Dollar Tree. We're going to start by making a little pattern and measuring the upper of that slipper and cutting it out of paper to make sure that it fits across the top of that slipper. Once the paper pattern is just how we want it, we'll use that to cut out a piece of felt for each slipper. Next, we're going to take our time and just glue that piece of felt along the side of the slipper. Now, I have some fabric glue gun glue that I use for another project, but you don't have to use special glue gun glue. Regular glue gun will work just as well. So again, I'm just going to encourage you that the secret to this project is patience and going slow. That glue gun will really stick to the fabric, the chenille fabric on these slippers. So try not to get any excess around the sides, and to do that, you'll just want to be really slow and methodical. I hate to play favorites, but I do think that these slippers are my very favorite project in this video, and I can just picture them for a bridal shower, for a girl's birthday party, for a whole family for the night before Christmas. I think they would be adorable. Next, I'm adding a felt snowflake embellishment that I found at Hobby Lobby during half off. Now, you can use whatever you like. You can use pom-poms, you can use rhinestones, you can use a little letter for the person's name. The sky is the limit. Hobby Lobby carries many different colors and patterns of felt, and I found this whimsical coffee print and I knew I just had to try it. So I got some pink slippers and I tried this print on those pink slippers. Now, I will tell you that these slippers are not the most durable in the world. They don't have any kind of an arch, but for what they are surprisingly comfortable. So they would be perfect for traveling, or if you have your nails done at the salon and you just need a pair to wear home, something like that. Trusty sidekick Bella was with me all day today, and she wanted to let you know that she approves of the coffee print slippers. And I'm providing you with another cute little tag to package these slippers and make them an extra special gift. And by the way, my friend, I just want to remind you that today is not the end of your story, so do not give up. Keep putting one foot in front of the other.